Alright, here's a really good running, probably 10 horse Mercury Outboard, and why I say maybe is because someone painted all over it. And the serial number brought up a the engine that had a horsepower range rather than a specific horsepower, which is, I've never seen that before, but should be between 10 and 15 horse. So I'm just assuming the low end, because that's kind of what it looks like. But it's a older Merc, has the fiberglass hood instead of the metal wraparound, so it's probably 80s. Other than that, I can start up for it and let you hear it and see it shift. Other than that, new impeller and new gear, lower unit gear oil. So that's about it. Any questions, leave them message in the comments below. Thanks.